Hello, I'm Roger Bisbee and I'm just changing a few sockets here and I'm using these MK Logic Rapid Fix sockets. Now these have got a very easy screwdriverless connection in the back. This is a long overdue move for sockets because we've been getting these in lighting and all kinds of other places for years, but for some reason they haven't been in sockets. So MK are probably first to the party, if you like. So all we're going to do is pop these in here. I'll cut them to the right length now. You can see that they push nicely in. The whole conductor is covered and that's nice and firm. So the other thing is they're colour coded, which obviously helps. Now you could be thinking, all right, this plays right into the hands of the DIYer, but quite honestly, the fact that you've got to get a screwdriver out isn't going to stop a DIY guy from wiring a socket up. So I think that anything you can do to help safety, help make this job easier, is a good thing. So the thing I really like about this is that you've got 3 terminals in each one, so you're not trying to stuff 3 of those cables into one hole. And basically, instead of using a screwdriver, you just pop them in, flick it down, and that's it. And they're all colour coded, so it makes it dead easy. But the great thing is, if you're doing 3 cables, like if you're doing a spur, it's very difficult sometimes to get those 3 cables into one hole, do the screw up and make sure they're all there.
Great bit of kit.
So you can put up to 3 in there, and each one's got its own separate thing, yeah?
I didn't realise they'd done them in a socket.
Well, that's the first one.
That is the first one.
Yeah.
Love it. Great. Yeah. An application I would use it for as well is if you're doing tile on tile in a kitchen.
Yeah.
You just need that extra inch, to get that clip on there without having to get a screwdriver in there. Yeah. Bloody brilliant.
Common in downlighters now, isn't it? But this is the first time it's been used in sockets.
When you're doing refurbs and stuff like that, new builds, you've never got enough space behind there. So for spare enough, absolutely. Oh, that's much easier, isn't it? Even with clod uppy fingers like mine. Yeah. Oh, it's much better. Yeah, I always find doing spurs, I'd get 2 in. Yeah, absolutely.
And then third one, and you screw
and you
it
end
down
up wrapping them and
one of them's loose, and then you've got to move the faceplate.
Exactly
slightly.
that.
One of them comes out.
I like that. It's nice and tight. Nice and tight. It's a good system. Oh, they're on blades as well. Fantastic.
Yeah. I think the more you pull them, they kind of tighten
absolutely.
on.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, thanks, Mike. Cheers.
Much better.
All the best.
Right. Nice, lovely, quick and.
So you give it a thumbs up, yeah?
Yeah.
So there you are, that's the Rapid Fix from MK. These sockets are now available at your wholesalers, and quite honestly, it's not all about time. Obviously they're faster, but I think they're a safer option.